Hey all, in this video I'm gonna give you an introduction to any type in TypeScript. So let me create one variable here. Suppose its name is my variable and I'm assigning one string here. Okay, so by default this variable will be defined as string type by TypeScript. Now let me write one function print value, so it will get one string variable and it will print that variable. Okay, now we can call this from any places, like we can pass one string, but if we want to print one integer or one number, then it will throw one error that argument of type number is not assignable to parameter of type string. So here we can assign it as any type. So any means that it can have any type of variables or any type of values. So if you pass one object, then also it will work. When you are initializing one variable, then you can mark this as any, and if suppose I have one object, then also I can give it as any, and if I have one string, then also I can give it as any. So for objects, if you don't give any type here, then you can see that it's taking the type as this. So let me give one name here, then let me see, then you can see that it's not giving any type to it. So let me give it as any, and it will mark it as any type. So we can give any other values to this variable because it's of type any. So if I give a string, then also it will not show me any error, or if I give it as number, then also it will not show me error. So basically, using any, you can give any type to one variable. So that's all for now. If you love this video, please like it and please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and if you have any question, please drop one comment below. Thanks. Bye.